Picked up this rocking chair for my front porch. It's summertime. It's a great time to have a little porch rocking chair, and I am impressed with it. It's quality construction. It was pretty easy to put together. It even came with extra hardware. It also has on the bottom these rubber strips, which is nice. It can protect whatever it's on, and it's not going to squeak or anything like that. Nice solid cushions. The weave pattern you can see in here. Over to the side, there's just a couple bolts and clear directions and instructions. You can see the bolts over there. Looks nice and solid. Really comfortable. This is nice and relaxing. It's a nice summer evening. I'm on my front porch enjoying it. It's a good size. I'm 5'7", 205 pounds. It seems very solid and could support much more weight than me. And I think this is a great product, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.